Hi, Saseni, and welcome back to Beth Mudhoni channel. I thought this one could be interesting. You know what? I am going to the market. So, Naida Sokoni, this is German Sokoni. German people, they have three things that it was their tradition. Let me see. So all the things are like they don't exist anymore, but these three things are still there. One thing, that there is a market, a small market, which the German people, they have where they can sell their products, especially those people who are having garden. Like you saw our garden, we can still go to the market and we sell this. If we have more product, we can sell even small. They don't care. You come to interact. So this one is like the way barter trade was done. You can exchange things. You can exchange your gadget with a cucumber. So it is still done here in German, especially with those people who you have garden with, like the small garden of ours. You can exchange things together. You can also take your product at the end of the season. We take our product and go. We make like a small party for the farmers or for the gardener people who are there. We make a small party, and I can make a salad, or I can boil my potatoes and I bring in this party so we can eat together. That is a tradition that have still remained, and I can still take my product or go to people who have garden and they had planted so much. I take this product, like the Mama Joroge there outside, they go and buy product and come to sell them in the market. And that's where I'm going, because the people who do this, they are German themselves, or the Turkey people. The Turkey people like this business. So I'm going here. I know there is a German person, and the others are Turkey people, or from other Arabic speakers. So here where I'm going to buy my tomatoes, because in summer I don't like to put tomatoes in the fridge. I just come. They are here on Wednesday, on Tuesday, Friday. So, and the other thing that have remained is the Ironman, which we call Ironman, but this is a man who comes with his car and bring us eggs in front of our houses. So he comes and hoop, and we go out and we know we are going to buy eggs. So I'll put this video together with this, and I'll send it when the time allows. So another thing that have remained is that people go and sell their clothes. So like when I have a cloth and it's not damaged and I want to get rid of it, we don't put them like the way I show you the mutuba. I put it because I don't know if I can be able to do it, but the kids, they know it. Like my daughter, they usually take their small clothes sometimes in the school or in the kindergarten, in the nursery school. So you can sell them for €1, 50 cents, just to get rid of it, and another kid can get something that she or he didn't have. They can also exchange. So they do it at school. So that is one another thing, that here they go in a place, they sell. You come with your clothes or anything that you have, and you have to pay a small tax so that you get a space, like at home. The way that you get a small place to put your product, that's how it functions here. You give a little bit. They don't care if you will sell or not. So they just collect. It's your own problem if you sell or not sell. So let's go. So this is the place. I hope I'm going to be able to make a good video, because I don't know how many people are there, but it's just a small thing. Like here, the car that you are seeing here it's a place where we buy our sausages. So as you can see, this is the place where my son cannot go without having the sausage. These are Italian people from Italy. They make so much sausages, or most of their sausages are Geflügel. What do we call? They are from chicken, and my kids love it. So another thing that you can see, these people, they are still Turkey people selling clothes. That is the only place where you can buy clothes, as you can see, just like home. The other place, the person who is telling me should tomato, he's saying nice tomatoes, like at home. So that's where you can buy Shun tomato. And these people are very nice, as you can see.
Wer ist das?
So as you can see, cucumber, tomatoes, strawberries. Anyway, they are nice people. That's why I usually come and buy some things. As you can see, everything is here and they are fresh. So these people usually tell me that their washing machine is damaged, because they know that African people wash with clothes, so they mean that they want a wife here. As you can see, that is the same thing. And that is our small market, and we love it. So you know it's summer, mid-season, but they don't taste as like for home. They are very sweet.
Möchten Sie?
3 Stück.
4?
Ja,
Okay, danke schön.
gerne. So that's where we buy the cabanossi.
3,26 € bitte.
Gerne. So for 4. So,
Danke schön.
danke. Auch.
Ja. Und 5.
So for 4 sausages, they are long and they are yummy. Let me say they are yummy. This one, when I don't bring them at home, I'm dead, I'm telling you. That they know the market day, so they usually look what is there. When they see the small tomatoes that I like, they know they are from market. So I hope it was interesting. So that's what I got from the market. I got some plums, I got some strawberry, as you can see, I got a cabbage, and I got the tomatoes, so, and the sausages. So for the vegetables and fruit, I bought for 11 euros. For the sausages, I bought the sausages for 3.50 euro. That means I used allowed 17 euros for this, and this is much cheaper than when you go in the normal supermarket. So we are going to get the eggs. Today is on Wednesday, and this is the next tradition thing that I have been there, or maybe will continue be there, that the eggman comes in front of your houses and brings some eggs to you, to us. So you are going to hear his signal. It's like a cock. That's his signal. Corona time, ne? Hello. So those are our eggs for €5.